Hey guys, great to see you. I'm really excited. Today we've got the globe string lights from Brighttown. These are really beautiful. Please check out your warnings right over here. Very important to pay attention to those warnings. Why? Because of course we're dealing with an electric product here. Don't want you to electrocute yourself. We are also dealing with glass bulbs. This is not plastic, this is actual real glass. Very vintage, very retro, very cool. These can be connected. First of all, check out, we've got the spare bulb right over here. There's 25 bulbs right over here, and we've got one spare here, so 26 total. You can also get more if you need to. Real glass, very nice, light, very warm and cozy. These can be connected end to end. You can connect up to 3 strings together. Why 3? Because if you check out your warning labels right over here, you'll see it says 432 watts is the maximum allowed by UL. These are UL listed. Please do not cut off these labels over here or this warning label over here. Keep these on. 432 watts, let's do some quick math. We've got 25 bulbs in here. Each bulb is 5 watts. So right here we've got 125 watts. 3 strings together, that gives us 375 watts, which is safe within our limit of 432 watts. Don't connect 4 strings together, that would go over the limit. Alright, so I'm going to take this out of the box. Because these are glass, they're well protected in polyfoam. I'm going to put this right over here. So this is a polyfoam cover. We're going to take the bulbs out of there and remove the cardboard. Alright. You're going to love this light. By the way, these sockets here, these are E12 sockets. Over here, inside the plug, you've got your spare fuse right there. In case the first one blows out, you can switch this one over here. So the entire string is 25 feet long. Looks really nice. Really nice, warm, cozy, traditional, vintage, soft light. You're gonna love this. They look really great. Took a while to get them out of the package, but I think it was worth it, right? Looking really nice over here.
Hello shoppers! If you're looking to improve your outdoor space look, I would highly recommend you to try this string light. They come with 15 LED bulbs and the length of it is 48 feet. The distance between each bulb is approximately 3 feet. These lights are very well made out of heavy-duty shatterproof material that is suitable for any weather condition, like rain, snow, wind, or sun. These lights are super easy to install. Each bulb is designed with the hook, so you can attach it anywhere. I'm sure these string lights will be a great addition to any outdoor space, like backyard, balcony, pergola, garden, or anywhere else. And it could be very nice decoration idea for wedding or birthday. I love this product very much. Quality is amazing. I would highly recommend it to you.